Okay, so we are going boating today. I am super excited and I'm still doing the 75 hard challenge. So I'll show you guys what drinks I brought before everyone comes on here. So we got some sparkling waters, San Pellegrino. This is so good, and this is mineral water as well. It's super delicious. And then I got some coffee from Starbucks. I haven't had a coffee yet today. So this is just a cold brew with sugar-free vanilla and almond milk. And then we also brought some of these. These are sparkling ice drinks. This is kiwi strawberry, really delicious. And I've got some protein bars, protein drinks, and that's pretty much it. We're just gonna spend the day on the water. And this is them coming, and Jillian and Jasmine. But I'm super excited. Eating an apple, cooking up making some veggies. Right on.
Onion down here, but like smells good.
And burgers.
And
got popcorn. So it's the first meal of the day. It is 11 a.m. and it's a complete myth. You don't need to eat right when you wake up or anything like that. Usually I like to eat my first meal once I have a little bit of hunger, my stomach starts growling. So if you work like a 9-to-5 job, you don't need to wake up and eat first thing. I would, when I was at school, I would prep my breakfast the next day and then eat it sometime in the morning, like 10 a.m. or even noon when I felt hunger. So I'll show you guys what I made. I already prepped the batter, but it's protein pancakes. These are my absolute favorite, and they are amazing to prep the day before and have for work or on the go. So it is just 2 scoops of Metarex. Kodiak cakes is really good too. These are my favorite. They're taste just like buttermilk pancakes. This is the batter. I did add like a little bit of Swerve just because I like sweet things. You can also add stevia or maybe honey. And then I also put in a scoop of collagen. You don't need this, but I just like having collagen. It's good for healthy skin and hair. And then I added just a splash of milk. And you can add almond milk if you're vegan. Here's the pancakes. And I did add blueberries, they're just on the other side. And I wanted to show you guys the macros. This is for 2 scoops. So 2.5 grams of fat, 29 grams of carb, 12 grams of protein. I also added an egg. So good. Okay, so we just got off of the boat. I am so burnt right now.
Here, let's put your snorkel in your bag.
But I'm very happy. I didn't have any drinks or anything. Ate healthy as best as I could. We had burgers today. Burgers and raw carrots and zucchini. So that was all good. Now I'm just going to go do my workout later tonight. So I'm just on the boat. We got here a little while ago. I am just drinking my Starbucks. I got a cold brew with sugar-free vanilla. It is super hot out here today though. It's like at least 30 degrees. It's so hot, but it's amazing. So I wanted to come on here and tell you guys just how 75 hard is going, and it is probably one of the most hardest things ever. It is incredibly challenging, especially being on a boat with everyone drinking. Like there were so many times where I'm like, okay, like let's just have one drink. Let's just have today as a break or excuse, you know? But I'm super proud of myself that I didn't give in. I actually had so much fun yesterday without any drinking. I was still dancing, having a good time. It was actually really, really good. I'm super happy that I stuck to it and I didn't drink. I know so many times in the moment we want something, like we want it so badly, right? But when we, in a month from now or even the next day, you're like, I'm so happy I didn't make that stupid decision and gave in to my emotions, because that is really the hardest thing, giving into something, right? Could be anything in the world. Maybe it's food, maybe it's alcohol, maybe it's different things online. And you know, if we give into it, we always feel like crap after, right? And it's, you know, we're possibly wrecking our body, not wrecking it, but we're definitely going to feel guilty after, one way or another. And it will always 100% have consequences. So I'm super happy I didn't make that decision. And we also had dinner last night. We went to a restaurant called Fishbone. It was super good, a little bit more like fine dining, and you know, the portions can be super small, but I got lots of vegetables to start. I got Brussels sprouts. It was so good. And I got a chicken thigh meal with like potatoes and asparagus for dinner, so that was really good. So another thing on this plan is you can't have cheat meals. Okay, so going out, having a chicken meal or having something that I would make at home, you know, I would 100% have chicken and potatoes and asparagus at home. That is not a cheat meal, okay? A cheat meal would be something like burgers and fries, an ice cream after, a pop, a milkshake, having that entire meal and it being, you know, thousands and thousands of calories, right? It's deep fried, it's greasy, it's bad for us, right? Like obviously now and then is fine, but with this challenge, there is no cheat meals whatsoever, and I'm happy and proud. I think it's my day 11 today and I've had no cheat meals. I think the hardest part of this challenge is getting my second workout in. Okay, so yesterday I got my first workout in and the second one was so incredibly challenging, and I know if I just keep working at it, it will definitely pay off. And I can already tell my mind is getting clear, getting more focused on what I need to be doing, and just getting rid of all the nonsense, the drama, and all of that. But I'm just gonna enjoy this day with my sister. Oh, we packed lots of different fruits. I'll show you guys what I brought today. It's actually probably around 12:30 and I haven't eaten anything yet, which is also completely fine. If you're not hungry, don't eat. Actually, one of the girls last night, it was cool. She was doing an intermittent fast where, you know, there's so many different ones, but she decided to not have any food because it was between her intermittent fast. It actually made me not feel so bad by opting out of alcohol. I was like, okay, you know what? If she can say no to food, I can say no to alcohol. But okay, this is the food that I brought. So I brought some kiwis. I have like a Caesar salad in here, just like a small from the other day. I brought like tons of grapes to snack on, and then I brought this yesterday, just like a protein shake if I needed it. And then in the back here, these are turkey burgers my mom made. This was like, I think 2 days ago that this was made. So that looks really delicious, just like sweet potato, broccoli, turkey burgers. So my sister and I will probably have that later. But if you're wanting to join the challenge, you definitely should. I know that with joining a challenge, it can be hard, especially in the summer when you want to enjoy yourself, have a cocktail, a drink, but you know, it is never a good time to start working on your goals. Seriously, it's never a good time. You just got to get out of your comfort zone, like I say in my Instagram messages, on my stories. Never a good time. Just do it. You know, who cares if people talk about you? Who cares if people have things to say about you? Who cares? Just, if it makes you happy, if it makes you feel good, then just do it. So I hope you guys love this video and have an amazing day.